Did you know your body has a hidden layer that scientists ignored for decades, and it might be the reason millions of people live in chronic pain? It's called fascia. It's a thin, web-like sheet of connective tissue that wraps around every single muscle, organ, and bone in your body. Every single one. If you removed everything else, the fascia would still hold your shape like a ghost of your entire body. For most of medical history, surgeons just cut through it and threw it away. They called it packing material, biological bubble wrap. Then researchers started looking closer. Fascia is loaded with more nerve endings than muscle tissue. It contracts. It responds to stress and emotion. When you feel that tight, aching tension that never quite goes away, that might not be your muscles at all. Studies now suggest that conditions like fibromyalgia and unexplained back pain could actually be fascia problems that medicine has been misdiagnosing for generations. The thing we ignored for 200 years might be one of the most important systems in your entire body.